Hi everyone, Gian here. Let's talk about the word signal. When you research the word signal, it's a welcoming and hospitable treatment. It comes from the ancient Greek noun which signia, hospitality, and xenia, the element of xenon, the name of a warrior princess Xena. So, in a Asian Greek, when you heard the word xenos means stranger's guest. So, a good thing about being a signal, especially a Filipino, we have that kind of attitude. Even that we meet different kind of people, even that it's strangers, we build a relationship. We have this attitude of warm welcoming, and we also, as part of that welcoming, we also give a gift to a strangers. And I think xenial is one of the meaning of the Greek word is gift to a strangers. So it's a relationship, it's a friendly relationship, communicating relationship that inspire, that transpire among many different area. And as a Filipino, we have that kind of attitude. Being a xenial, it's a building a relationship, liking people or giving a gift to strangers, and it's a hospitality of welcoming guests na talaga naman for us maipagmamalaki natin. Being sinabi nga nila a going yakiti yak. When you say a going yakiti yak, it's a kind of attitude of a person's that you are a warm person, that everybody really like to be a friend with you because you know how to become hospitable, and everyone wants to be with you because we know how to break the ice by communicating well and being a friendly and hospitable to new strangers. That is a kind of attitude na maipagmamalaki natin bilang Pilipino. So let's become a xenial to everyone.